I don't trust this guy.
The light in here is not very good. Ow! I looked into it.
Having to wait until Christmas Eve to open your presents.
Wait, you open your presents on Christmas Eve?
Sure.
Why don't we do that? I want to open all my presents on Christmas Eve, but then I'd be sad.
Okay, now on the point is, they just found that Christmas miracle you've been hoping for.
Thank you so much.
I don't trust this guy. There's always gonna be one weirdo.
Every movie, we need some powdered sugar. Oh, to see this guy's all like, oh snap.
Yeah, and you know what's not gonna be our childhood friend that's the weirdo? Unless it's those cold kids.
I know, it's always, yeah, basically.
See, we could put the little balls on the tree like they're little tree balls.
Those are
Like Christmas tree decorations. You know what I mean. We need a little bit more stuff on our path.
But okay, seriously, if there were really like little like
these are
balls on the thing, then it would be like someone would trip on it. Seriously. Aw, they're hearts. Oh.